Ever found yourself stuck, wishing you had the perfect tool for the job? You're not alone. Sometimes, the right tool makes all the difference, whether you're fixing things around the house or working on a big project. Today, we're diving into some amazing tools you probably haven't heard of yet. They're practical, handy, and might just solve the problems you didn't even know you had. Stick around, and let's explore these cool gadgets together. You might just find your next must-have. When working with carpets, precision is key, and the Roberts 10 128 carpet stretcher delivers just that. Designed to match patterns accurately during installation and repair, this tool is a carpet installer's best friend. Compact at less than 2 feet long, it's easy to handle and perfect for tight spaces. Its die-cast aluminum frame can withstand up to 300 pounds of tension, ensuring a firm stretch every time. The dual powerhead configuration allows you to correct bowing, skewing, and compress gapped seams effortlessly. With its unique locking mechanism, you can achieve hands-free seam repairs, making your work smoother and more efficient. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying case for easy transport and storage, keeping your tools organized and ready to go. Watering your garden just got easier with the Fiskars Water Wheel XL. This innovative watering tool is designed for convenience and efficiency. The included 20-meter hose and 360-degree rotating drum ensure you can reach every corner of your garden without tipping over. The sturdy, freestanding design keeps it stable, while the ergonomic soft grip handle and soft wheels make it easy to maneuver across different surfaces. The hose retracts smoothly into the drum thanks to its smart coiling system, which prevents tangling. It's ready to use straight out of the box, making it a hassle-free addition to your gardening routine. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just want to keep your lawn looking fresh, the Water Wheel XL makes watering a pleasure. Transform your Milwaukee M 18-fuel dual battery leaf blower into the ultimate car drying machine with the stubby car drying nozzle. This 8-inch nozzle is designed for maximum maneuverability, making it easy to dry your vehicle without any hassle. The tapered outlet directs a tight stream of air, speeding up drying times and ensuring a spotless finish. Made from durable PETG plastic, it securely attaches to your blower, staying put during use but still easy to remove when needed. The optional blower band tip adds extra protection, preventing any accidental scratches on your car's paint. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle looking its best, the stubby nozzle makes car drying faster and safer. Say goodbye to digging through your wash bucket for the right brush with the Bucket Caddy. This handy accessory attaches to any 5-gallon or 6-gallon bucket, keeping your wheel, tire, and detailing brushes organized and within easy reach. The Bucket Caddy is designed to hold various brush types and sizes, from large easy detail brushes to small bores hair brushes. It's also great for letting your brushes air dry after use, ensuring they stay in top condition. Whether you're a professional detailer or just love keeping your car clean, the Bucket Caddy simplifies your car washing routine by keeping your tools neat and accessible. No more fumbling, just grab the brush you need and get to work. Perfecting your miter cuts has never been easier with the Bora Miterix Angle Duplicator. This smart tool takes the guesswork out of cutting angles, ensuring a flawless fit every time. Whether you're working on crown molding, trim, or baseboards, the Miterix measures the exact angle you need and transfers it directly to your miter saw. It automatically divides the angle in half, giving you the perfect miter cut without any complicated calculations. The tool is foldable and compact, making it easy to store in your toolbox when not in use. With the Bora Miterix, you'll save time, reduce waste, and achieve professional quality results on every project. The Priso Tile Square Laser is your go-to tool for precise tile and flooring work. This laser projects 2 bright green beams over a 32-meter range, making it easy to align tiles with perfect accuracy. It's built tough with robust over-mold construction, ensuring it can withstand the demands of any job site. With an accuracy of plus or minus 10 millimeters at 10 meters, You can trust this laser to deliver precise results every time. The simple one-button operation means you can focus on the task at hand without fumbling with settings. Whether you're a professional tiler or a DIY enthusiast, the Priso Tile Square laser helps you achieve flawless, straight lines with ease. Measuring wind speed and temperature has never been more convenient than with the Priso Anemometers. This compact tool is perfect for anyone who needs accurate weather data on the go. It offers measurements in multiple units, so you can choose what works best for you, whether it's degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit, current wind speed, average, or max. The 20-point measurement system ensures precise readings, while the LCD backlight makes it easy to read in any light condition. With both manual and auto power-off options, you'll save battery life for when you need it most. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, sailors, and weather hobbyists, the Priso Anemometer is a must-have for reliable wind and temperature data. Check out the Metabo Caulking Gun. It's designed for professionals who demand precision and power. With an extremely high discharge force, this tool handles even the most viscous materials with ease. The infinitely variable speed control allows you to apply caulk or adhesive exactly as needed, reducing waste and mess. Thanks to the Metabo Quick system, you can switch between cartridges and film bags without tools, keeping your work efficient and uninterrupted. The all-metal gear construction ensures a long lifespan, while the anti-drip feature prevents excess material from leaking out. Whether you're sealing windows, filling gaps, or working on other caulking tasks, the Metabo Caulking Gun provides consistent, reliable performance. Looking for a tool that combines versatility and convenience? The Tie Spanner 2.0 multi-tool is a must-have for anyone who values both. Crafted from CNC machined titanium, this multi-tool is built to last and designed for a variety of tasks. It features an adjustable spanner for tightening nuts and bolts, a tungsten head for opening packages, and a built-in nail puller for quick fixes. Plus, it doubles as a bottle opener, making it perfect for social gatherings. Its compact size means you can carry it on your keychain or attach it to your backpack, ensuring you always have it on hand. From DIY projects to outdoor adventures, the Tie Spanner 2.0 has got you covered. Meet the Tsaw, a compact and powerful folding handsaw designed for outdoor adventures. Crafted from high-quality Japanese carbon steel, the Tsaw's blade is razor sharp, perfect for cutting through wood, bone, and more. The CNC machined titanium handle provides exceptional strength without adding extra weight, making it easy to carry on your camping trips. With its ergonomic design, you'll enjoy a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The handle also doubles as a sheath, keeping the blade protected when not in use. No matter if you are blazing trails, gathering firewood, or processing game, the Tsaw is your go-to tool for rugged tasks. Experience warmth like never before with the SF150 by Sunfire, designed to heat up your workshop, warehouse, pole barn, or garage without any unpleasant odors. It delivers a powerful 150,000 BTU, making it ideal for keeping things warm in even the coldest weather. This heater runs on diesel or kerosene, and it's designed to be nearly free of carbon monoxide, ensuring a safer environment. One of its standout features is its odorless operation, so you won't have to deal with unpleasant fumes. It comes with flat-free rubber wheels, allowing easy movement through any door. The SF150 is built to last with heavy-duty construction and has a lifting bracket for easy handling. Plus, it can be hooked up to a wall thermostat for precise temperature control. Made in the USA, this heater is a reliable choice for your heating needs. For precise cable cutting, the Ripley Miller MB02 is your go-to tool. This multi-purpose cable slitter is designed to handle dielectric cables up to 0.79 inches with accuracy. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and it's developed with input from major broadband companies and trade schools for top-notch functionality. The MB02 features integrated cutting channels that let you easily switch between ring and longitudinal cuts. You can adjust the blade depth with interchangeable trays, which are color-coded and laser-marked for easy use. The tool also has a spring-loaded design for quick and efficient cutting and slitting. With a convenient carrying pouch included and a safe, compact build, the MB02 offers both precision and ease of use. Cutting stubborn nuts is a breeze with the ZUPER Ed 2436 Nut Cutter. Powered by an 18-volt max Li-ion battery, this high-performance tool gets the job done in just 8 seconds. Its cutting head rotates 350 degrees, giving you flexibility in tight spaces. The OLED display keeps you informed with cutting cycles, battery percentage, and maintenance notes. With a high-hardness alloy blade, this nut cutter is built to last, delivering reliable cuts every time. The one-key operation makes it easy to use, and it's perfect for those tough jobs that need a little extra power. Whether you're in the shop or on site, the ZUPER Ed 2436 is ready to tackle your toughest challenges. Moving shipping containers just got a whole lot easier with CONTAINGO's shipping container wheels. These wheels are simple to install, no tools required, and you can do it by hand in seconds. They're perfect for portable storage companies, manufacturers, tow truck operators, and contractors who need to move containers smoothly and quickly. Designed for empty or lightly loaded containers, these wheels roll effortlessly on hard, smooth surfaces. Unlike caster wheels, CONTAINGO wheels mount directly on the end of the container without lifting. The result? A smoother, gentler, and quieter move. Each set includes 2 wheels and attachment pins, making container transport a breeze with minimal damage to your containers or the ground. Glue applications just got easier with the GlueMate 150 and GlueMate 450 from Milescraft. These tools are designed to give you complete control over your glue application, thanks to their 2-chamber design. When you press, glue is sent from the storage chamber up to the application chamber, allowing you to deliver just the right amount. You can even apply glue vertically without any mess. The GlueMate 450 comes with 2 applicator tips, a fine point for narrow boards and dowel holes, and a flat tip for wider applications. Whether you're working on small joints or large boards, these tools make glue ups easier, neater, and more efficient, saving you time and hassle. Bending conduit pipes can be a tricky task, but the F4P Conduit Pipe Bender makes it simple. This portable machine is perfect for making accurate bends in 20mm, 25mm, and 32mm conduit pipes. With just a few easy adjustments, you can produce complex bends quickly and without constant measuring and rechecking. It's ideal for professionals who need reliable results every time. The bender comes with a pipe vise, extension bar, and formers, so you have everything you need in one package. Whether you're working on site or in your workshop, the F4P Conduit Pipe Bender ensures you get the job done right, without the fuss. Sanding drywall or preparing walls for painting can be a messy job, but not with the Hide Tool's 9-inch dust-free sander. This tool is designed to remove up to 99% of dust when connected to a wet, dry vacuum, keeping your workspace clean. The 9-inch round head pivots smoothly, preventing damage to walls and making it perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. With an extended reach thanks to the lightweight extension pole, you can comfortably sand walls and ceilings without straining yourself. The sander comes with a suction control valve, various abrasives, and a storage bag, making it a versatile and efficient addition to your toolkit. Cutting textiles and synthetic materials is easier than ever with the Hughes USMG. This compact, powerful tool features a high-torque DC motor that delivers high cutting performance. It's built to last with an integrated grinding device that keeps the blade sharp and a finger guard for safety. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or tough synthetics, this cutter handles it all. The Hughes USMG is easy to maintain, thanks to its central lubrication system, and its lightweight design ensures comfortable use. With optional accessories like an extension handle and guide rails, you can customize this tool to fit your needs, making it a reliable choice for any cutting job. Evaluating the age and health of trees is a precise task, and the Hageloff Increment Corer is up to the challenge. This classic tool is used worldwide by professionals who need fast and reliable results. Made with high-quality steel and coated to resist rust and friction, the Hageloff Corer is durable and easy to use. It's available in a variety of sizes and models, so you can choose the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're checking for decay, monitoring pollution, or measuring wood density, this core provides accurate readings every time. With its sharp barrel-shaped tip and smooth operation, the Haglöf Increment core is a must-have for any forestry toolkit. Installing shingles and shake siding on your own? The PackTool Shingle Cider SA908 makes it a breeze. This handy tool supports ledger boards for easy, one-person installation, saving you time and effort. It's adjustable to fit different ledger board thicknesses and reveal heights, making it versatile for any job. The Shingle Cider also doubles as a clamping device, which is perfect for securing tarps and keeping your workspace dry. Plus, it helps protect your vapor barrier by eliminating the need to nail ledger boards. Whether you're working on a small project or tackling a larger job, the PackTool Shingle Cider SA908 is designed to make your work smoother and more efficient. So that's all about the 20 cool tools you didn't know about before. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more updates about tools.